Right now, a Waco judge must make a decision about a civil $1 million lawsuit filed against a former Baylor fraternity. The woman who says Jacob Anderson raped her at a 2016 party wants the Phi Delta Theta fraternity to pay up. Fox 44's Michelle Trotter went to a hearing and tells us more.
Originally charged with sexual assault, Jacob Anderson and prosecutors agreed on a lesser charge of unlawful restraint. That triggered his accuser to file a civil lawsuit for more than $1 million against Anderson and members of his former fraternity, Phi Delta Theta.
Sort of held back to not interfere with criminal proceedings, has sort of just sat around waiting for that to be over. Obviously, that was over at the end of 2018, and so the case is now beginning to move forward.
The lawsuit claims the fraternity failed to have adequate policies and procedures in place to monitor guest alcohol consumption. It also said it failed to properly and in a timely fashion report claims of sexual assault. The topic of today's hearing, which documents should be kept confidential.
It's just about setting up a process that should there be information that needs to be protected, how will it go about being protected?
The lawsuit lists 26 defendants. Only a few defendants showed up saying they have no opposition for a protective order. As for the next step in this trial,
at some point the judge will set a trial date for the case and will set various deadlines for the parties to comply with. And we have to get this done by a certain date and this done by a certain date. And that's just the next step.
Michelle Trotter, Fox 44 News.